Hello students of class 5th. What do you know about major landforms? I will tell us landforms, mountains, hills, plateaus, plains and rivers and deserts. The earth's surface is made up of land and water. Three-fourths of the earth's surface is water and the one-fourth is land. You have already read that the earth is divided into large land masses that are called continents and large water bodies that are called oceans. In this chapter, we will know about different landforms of India. The earth is not uniform or even at all places. At some places it is high, while at the other places it is low. This variation in the earth's surface create various landforms. Landforms are also known as relief features. A mountain is a natural structure that rises well above its surrounding. A mountain usually is high, rocky elevation with steep sides and pointed or rounded top. A hill is different form of mountain in the sense that its height is usually less than 1000 meters. It is much smaller than a mountain. In the north of India, there are snow-bound Himalayas and the highest mountain range in the world that separates India from the rest of Asia. Most of the mountain peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges. As you move northward from the base of the Himalayas, you encounter first the Shivalik range, covered with thick forest of wood trees. Then the lesser Himalayas, Himachal, that gets heavy snowfall in winter. And finally the great Himalayan range, Himadri, having the highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters high above the sea level. Features of mountains. The higher altitude of the mountains remain covered with snow for a better part of the year, so the vegetation in this part is scanty. Due to the steep slopes and extreme cold, the mountain region of the world are thinly populated. People mostly live on the foothills and the lower parts of the mountains. The mountain form of the natural barrier against cold and hot winds. The snow-filled mountains are the sources of mainly river on the earth, mountains and rich flora and fauna. These are the rich sources of minerals and the regions around them also develop as great tourist spot. Plateaus are also highland but they have a flat top, so they are also known as tableland. They are separated from the surrounding areas by steep slopes. Plateaus are found in almost all the continents. Features of plateaus. The vegetation in plateaus differs from region to region. Low plateaus are often farming region, while high plateaus are usually suitable for the rearing of cattle and sheep. Some plateaus are extremely large and cover hundreds of kilometers. For example, the Deccan Plateau in India is large plateau, which extend over high 8 Indian states. Plateaus are rich in mineral resources. For example, the Chota Nagpur Plateau in India is rich in coal, iron ore, bauxite, manganese, and copper. Plains. Plains are lowland that extend over thousands of kilometers. There are no great changes in elevation across plains. Plains are generally formed by rivers that rises in the mountains and flow down. In the process, these rivers deposit sand and salt along the riverbed. Over a period of time, plains are formed by these deposits. For example, the northern plains in India have been formed by the river Ganga. Features of plains. The silt deposited by the rivers make the plains very fertile and suitable for agriculture. Many crops are grown in plains. Plains are thickly populated compared to the mountains and plateaus. Many towns and cities are located in the plains. Even in earlier period, many important civilizations developed on the river bank. Good transport facilities, availability of water, and rich fertile soil make the plains best suited for human settlement. A river usually begins in the mountain and ends its journey in a sea or ocean. During the course of this journey, it passes through three different stages. The first stage of the river is the upper or youthful stage. The second stage or the mature stage of the river begins as in the enter the plains. The third stage of the river is also known as old stage. The movement of this river becomes very slow in this stage. Deserts are vast areas of sand that receive very little rainfall and experience extreme temperatures. Because of the extreme climatic condition, there are limited plants and animals found in deserts. Features of deserts. The desert experience extreme climate. The days are very hot and nights are cold in these areas. There is very little rainfall in these areas. Sandstorms are common in the desert as the winds blow the sand from one place to another. Sand dunes are formed. Sand dunes are small hills of sand. Deserts of two types, cold desert and hot desert. Oases are small water pools that spring up at some places in the desert. Date palms grows around an oasis. Deserts are usually located in the western part of the continent. Some of the famous deserts of the world are the Sahara in Africa, Thar Desert in India, Great Sandy Desert in Australia, and the Patagonia in South America.